Hi everyone, welcome to the Pinspiration collaboration. This is the second Saturday of each month and I'm the host for it now. I took over from Megan W., who decided to leave YouTube, which is fine, but there is still a group of us that are doing this collaboration once a month on the second Saturday, and I hope you enjoy it. We have a lot of talented people, and what we're supposed to do, sorry I'm showing it to you already, we're supposed to pick one pin from Pinterest and use it as inspiration. Now I will link my inspiration below, but it's from my pin went back to this Julie Japes, which is Julie Kettlewell at the Paper Haven. It's from 12 July 2016, and it was called the Swirly Bird Kite Z Fold card. I wanted to do the Z Fold card, which you're not seeing. There it is. I loved the sky, how she did that too, which is like watercolor, and then the kites, and this said good luck, but I have a kite too, but it's too big, and honestly I needed to get, I have 3 birthday cards I have to get made, and they're all men. One's my cousin, one's my son-in-law, and one's my cousin's son. So I only got one done, but here's what I did. Well, let me show you what I used first. I used paper, this paper. I'm trying to finish up this summer paper pad. This was the Perfect Summer by Lori Whitlock. Remember that from some of my earlier projects? Ice cream on the back, but this stripe is what I used in part. I used some this turquoisey blue paper. This is out of a pack from Recollections, actually, in their blues. So I used that as my base, and it's 65 pound, I believe. I used a piece of white, and this is all I have left of it, a couple of scraps. Coordinations is the brand, but it's 110 pound cardstock. Very nice heavy cardstock. I used these 3 inks. I used Memento Ladybug, Memento Nautical Blue, and Memento Dandelion. I used a Stampin' Up punch. It's like double banners. I forget the exact name of it. It is still available though in the current catalog. And with that, I used, what I just did with it, I don't know. Oh, here. These Thoughtful Banners stamp set. Now, I'm not positive that's still available. I will check if you're interested. I used this stamp here, and I also used the happy and the birthday, wherever it is on here. Anyway, yeah, here, happy and birthday. Doesn't have cousin in it, so yeah, well. I also used this stamp set, which I think came from Dollar Tree. I used the balloons, and I used the Let's Celebrate. Let me see, what else did I used some stickers. I'll show you them when I get to them. Most of them I think were Paper Studio. Oh, I also used this Fiskars stamp set, which is all birthday related. I used this one here. Is birthdays are nature's way of telling us to eat more cake. And I used for all of it, I used Art Glitter Glue, this one, but I put it in this one. That was my adhesive that I used this time. To clean my stamps, I was using the Ranger Clear Stamp Cleaner. That works very well, except on StazOn. If you use StazOn, get the StazOn cleaner. It works really, really well. Oh, and I also used these are Stampin' Up Dimensionals. I think I just bought more of these because I've had these for a while. I've had these probably for about 8 months, maybe 6 months, 8 months, I don't know. But I think they changed might be a year. I think they changed the cover of them now. It's black and white because I just ordered some and got some before I became a consultant. So I have a stash of those now. So I used them, and I had this sort of, I don't know what this is called, string. Just plain old string, and I used that. It sort of looks pink to me now, but it looked white to me before. Anyway, so here's what I made. I made the Z-fold. Here's the blue cardstock, the white cardstock, the striped cardstock, and I stamped "Let's Celebrate." Oh, and on that, there's this little thing here, and I stamped that in red and blue. I used the blue, nautical blue, memento, to do the "Let's Celebrate." Here's the nautical blue, the dandelion yellow, and the ladybug. It turned out light, and I did use my Spectrum Noir sparkle pen on the balloons, only on the balloons, to make them shine a little more. And I actually also used, which works better with the watercolor pencils, the Stampin' Up blender pens. It did smooth out the color of the ink a little bit, but it works, like I said, better with the crayons. And then I actually glued the string onto the back of the balloons before I popped them down. Also put my dimensional on. And then this had already been put down, so what I did is I just went like this a little bit, lifted up, and glued a little more to glue the strings down under there. But they're kind of, you know, looking like they're flowing. So then when you open it up, you go like this. Here's the "Birthdays Are Nature's Way of Telling Us to Eat More Cake." So I gave him some cupcakes. These were the Paper Studio, and then I had this "Enjoy," a smiley face, and a green heart. I wasn't too sure on the green heart, but it matches the paper. And that was from, one second, that was from Jot, a pack of stickers I had for a while now. These were the, I believe, Paper Studio. I don't think that, oh yeah, here. I'm sorry, no, it was Jolie's. These were Jolie's cupcakes. And this was Jot. So I used them. I was getting in a bit of a hurry to finish because I have to go somewhere. So that's it. And then I'll just, you know, write my name or whatever there, or I may just put it on the back. I don't know yet. So it's a little puffed up because of the cupcakes under there, but I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think? Let me know. Oh, and this is where I did the banners. This blue is stamped on from the Stampin' Up collection, and then I punched it out. I did my stamping on there first, banners and the happy and the birthday, and the red ink didn't do so well, but the blue did okay. And then I punched them out with this, and they were punched out of the 110-pound white cardstock. So it feels nice and sturdy. It stands up, woohoo! And I think it'll fit in a decent size envelope. I think it turned out cute, and I used up some more of my summertime paper, even though, well, it is summertime, but it's a birthday card. So I have a couple more to make, but I can't do it for this particular videoing. So I hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun making that. That was a blast. See how it opens? And very easy to make once you know how to do them. I had to figure out the envelope size, and I do want to make a watercolory one too, like she had done in the Inspiration, which again is this really cute card, and that's her name, Julie Napes, Julie's Japes, Julie Kettlewell at the Paper Haven. Okay, that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hop along to the other participants in the collaboration. It's a lot of fun, and we have 2 new participants. One left us for personal reasons, which is fine. I totally understand. And but 2 more. One came back, and we got 2 new ones. So they're all linked below, and hop on over and show them some crafty love. Subscribe, thumbs up, you know the drill. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.